Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're just gonna unbox my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus and we're gonna talk about how Ipsy canceled my Ultimate membership. So let's get into it. Alrighty guys, so if you guys are new here, I started doing Battle of Boxes back in October where I used to battle my Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate versus my Boxy Lux to see which was a better box. Then Boxy Lux was every 3 months, so then I just started doing Ipsy Ultimate versus Boxy Premium, and then I just started doing just Ipsy Ultimate by itself, and then I just canceled Ipsy Ultimate because it just was a joke of a box because you spent $50 to get all these non-name brands for makeup products that you're just never going to use, all these skincare, ugly bags. It just wasn't something that I was about. But I had forgotten that I didn't cancel it because it's like a 5-minute process to actually cancel your Ipsy Ultimate. So I got charged for it back in May, started doing videos again. You guys really enjoyed it. I really started falling in love with Ipsy Ultimate. Until July, they pretty much said, you know what, Allie, go fuck yourself. So there's that. But what ended up happening is in the month of July, I had waited to receive my Boxy Ultimate. And you spend $50. Usually whenever you buy the Ipsy Ultimate, you get that box ASAP. They are so quick to get that to you because you do spend the most money. But for some reason, last month, I had gotten my Ipsy Bag Plus, my $25 bag, like 2 weeks after paying for it. And I got my Ipsy Ultimate at the very, very end of July. They were giving me the runaround. I was asking what's going on because I use a service called Pitney Bowes. Now, so many of you guys have told me that that is not a shipping service. It's just a label creating service. So they create the label and they just help to move the product. They don't actually do any shipping. It's still done through USPS. So I had contacted Ipsy asking like, hey, just kind of curious to where is my product? Like I got my Ipsy Bag Plus weeks and weeks ago, and right now my bag is stuck. It said it shipped out July 8th. It's been stuck somewhere in Tennessee since July 14th. And they responded back saying, do not contact them pretty much until July 27th when that will be considered a lost product. And I was like, okay, that's kind of like a rude response in their way saying, you know what, I really don't care about you this area now because you're not within this threshold. You got to give it time. And they used COVID-19 as an excuse in every single email that I had contact with them with. And I flat out told them COVID-19 is not an excuse, especially since my plus came in weeks prior. How are you using COVID-19 as an excuse? Like, I just found that to be so bogus. I ship out boxes literally all the time with UPS, and I get tons of boxes sent to me all the time with purchasing stuff, buying stuff from makeup, buying makeup stuff, getting PR boxes, getting stuff from you guys. Like, I just found that COVID-19 to be just a kind of a gimmick and their excuse as to why things are being delayed. So I emailed them again on the 27th. They still hadn't received my box. And I just kind of laughed because at this point, someone named Vixen took over my account and pretty much told me that my box was still on the way, that I need to be patient and wait until the end of the 27th. So I went through my bank, because at this point I thought my product's not coming here. And Ipsy refuses to do refunds. Ipsy will not refund you at all. Now, what I was kind of surprised is back in October when I had got my first Ultimate, it was a really disappointing launch, and a lot of people felt the same way that I did. And Ipsy was so freaking amazing that they literally said, your November box is going to be completely on us. We're so sorry, botched the launch. And they were so freaking good with their customer service. I loved Ipsy since then, and I knew I want to keep getting you guys because you guys took such good care of me. So I thought something similar like that was going to happen this time around. Maybe not a refund, but to say, you know what, we're going to knock off the price for your next box, maybe give you the next box. We'll do something to help you in the situation. Their idea of helping you is giving you 1,200 points in charms, which I don't use my charms. I don't even know what they're for. I guess it's to help purchase stuff off their website. But I was like, that's all they're doing for everybody, was just giving them like charm points. All right, I guess you guys don't really care about customer service this time around. And I emailed back Vixen saying, okay, well, if you guys don't want to tell me your boxes, I'm going to go ahead and have to go through my bank and request a refund because you guys don't do refunds. And I just feel like this is really poor business. Vixen never responded to my email. Point blank, period. I made a video about it. I talked about it in my Ipsy Ultimate. I talked about my experience. And within 2 days of making that video, I got an email from Ipsy saying that my membership had been canceled. And I was like, are you serious? Are they really canceling me because I made like a video about them? And I posted about it on my community page saying, this is what Ipsy did to me. What do you guys want me to do? I have the ability to re-sign up for it. But what would you guys want? You guys are my audience. You guys are my subscribers. You guys tell me what you guys want to see. And a lot of you guys are saying, fuck Ipsy. Like, pretty much you guys are telling me just to cancel Ipsy. But I did post about it on my Twitter as well. And there was a wonderful, wonderful customer service representative named Taylor who reached out to me and said, hey, Allie, I just want to know some of the details so you can figure out what's going on with your account. So we talked for a little bit. She told me that pretty much, not because I made a video, but because I requested a refund from my bank, Ipsy had to cancel membership. So editor Allie here, sorry I look like butt shit, don't even care. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I am really debating whether I should even post this video because after posting my BoxyCharm video yesterday, people have such strong opinions, and I think people are forgetting that your opinion matters so much, but so does mine. And I was just expressing my opinion, and people can be very negative about it, saying that pretty much their opinion is the right opinion. So it's really hard for me to want to post this story because I don't want people giving me hate and saying, you're bitchy, you're complaining, you're entitled, whatever it is people like to call me. It makes it so that I never want to do these videos again and pretty much don't want to come back to YouTube because it can be really, really nasty. Like, I'm just trying to share my experience and my story, and people just want to be uptight about it for some reason. And I'm trying to understand that everybody has different viewpoints, everybody has different opinions, but guys, I'm human, and I'm just trying to be as honest as possible. I hate when I see people who are kiss asses to all these brands. It's not who I am. If I have a great experience, I'm gonna tell you guys I had a great experience, and if I had a poor experience, I'm gonna tell you guys I had a poor experience. So I'm coming on here just to clarify what pretty much happened with Ipsy, and I'm gonna like put like a little screenshot right here so you can read the direct email. But pretty much what had happened was that since I disputed the charge, it's considered a chargeback. So if the bank does not issue me the refund, Ipsy is obligated to issue the refund. Like, if I don't cancel the dispute, Ipsy is obligated to refund me the money, and Ipsy does not want to do that because they don't do refunds. I am more than welcome to sign up for membership again, but if I dispute a charge again, they're going to have to cancel my account again because of the chargeback, because they don't want to be responsible. $40 to $50. It's kind of on the bank to do that. So I don't really know what happened on their end of the deal, whether or not Ipsy was forced to pay the $50 to the bank. I never got anything from the bank saying that my request was denied. It still has gone through. But I just want to let you guys know that that is what had happened. I will share the proof right here for anybody that needs to see it for themselves. But since it's considered a chargeback, that is why I was canceled, because they didn't want to be obligated to pay the refund. So hopefully people can be receptive to this. I just don't know if I'm going to be as like open anymore, because people have a lot of opinions, and I don't even know if I'm gonna look at the comments at this point, just because it sucks when you're honest. People just want someone to be so happy, and this is amazing, and that's I'm a very happy person, I'm a very positive person, but I'm also a very honest person, and if you can't handle that, I'm really, really sorry. But I don't have to change who I am to appease everybody, and it's making it so it's not enjoyable to go to my comment section anytime I do any sort of BoxyCharm video or Ipsy video. Like, it's just getting to be not enjoyable anymore for me as a content creator, because the amount of people who feel the need to express their opinion, but in a negative way. Like, you're more than welcome to tell me your opinion, give me constructive criticism, but you guys do not have to be nasty about it. Like, what did I do to make you like be so nasty? Like, I'll never understand it. So this is, I don't know if you guys are going to see this at this point, because it's just, yeah, it just gives me bad anxiety, just even thinking about it. But, yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know what was, like, the dealio, so, yay. So we're going to go ahead and see really fast what the Ipsy Ultimate is this month, because I'm just now curious what it is. Because I feel like it might be a little bit of a disappointment, and I really hope I don't get hate on this video. I tend to get hate whenever I speak out against a company. So for the Ultimate, there is the 111 Skin Crypto ATP Sports Booster, Beauty For Real High Def Mascara. There is the Complex Culture Powder Brush. There's the Feel Vitamin E E-Balm. There's Nomad Cosmetics Eyeshadow Palette. There's Peto Paris Hydro 24 Plus Cream Something. There's Soapbox Coconut Milk Hair Mist, and Sunday Riley CEO 15% Vitamin C Brightening Serum. I only recognized one name, or two names. I only recognize Sunday Riley and 111 Skin. So I'm I'm really glad I didn't get my ultimate because I'd be really disappointing. There's only 2 makeup products. 2 makeup products and the rest are all skincare. I don't understand it. So now we're going to see what my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus has to offer. So this is how it came in this little bag right here. Typically I get a box and now it's in a bag. Maybe they're trying to be eco-friendly. I'm not entirely sure why it's not in a box, but let's find out. Oh, this is the Venice Fling Bailey Siren collab that she did with Ipsy. This palette was made for Ipsy, or put in here because of Ipsy. And this is the eyeshadow palette right here. This is freaking massive. This is huge, but it has some really pretty colors. Now, if you guys don't know who she is, she's a huge YouTuber here on YouTube, and she does these really cool videos where she gets ready, but she talks about murder mysteries as she's getting ready, so it's just very captivating. So I really like the fact that they have this in here. And what's kind of disappointing is that this isn't in the ultimate. Like, you think it would be in the ultimate, but I can definitely say that I really appreciate the fact that it is in a bag and not a box, because I'm so tired of getting all these boxes. I feel like they just go to waste. I try to recycle them as best as possible, but I really like the eco-friendly vibe that I'm getting right here, and it's just a super cool bag. All right, so the next product we got is from Ciate London. This is the Watermelon Burst Setting Powder right here. I swear to God, Ipsy's giving me the whole line of Ciate London because I just used their watermelon moisturizer today just to give it a try, but this is it right here, super tiny. Ew, it kind of has like a weird off like smell. It smells like watermelon, but like kind of off. And it's super tiny, feels really, really cheap, but we'll definitely have to get this a go. Oh, hello, mirror. Next, we got a, oh my God, we got a Huda Beauty Demi Matte Lipstick. What? This is freaking cool. This is in the shade Feminist. Oh my God, that is, this is the $25 box. This is not the $50 box. This is insane. Wow. Okay, cool. Let's swatch you. Ooh, that is a beautiful color. It's actually very similar to my Kylie Cosmetics Savage Liquid Lip. That is beautiful. Ipsy, you do realize, Ipsy, that this is the $25 bag, right? Like, you know that, right? Okay, just checking. Okay, next we got a from I don't know who this brand is. Oh, Eco London. This is the Black Magic Mascara for Drama and Curl. Ooh, let's see the wand. Okay, I can get into this wand right here. Oh my God, all right, that's awesome. Never even heard of this brand. Definitely have to give this a go for sure. And last but not least, we got a Real Her Eye Amazing 24-hour liner. So this is the only product that I'm gonna go ahead and put this into my No Waste Wednesday because I just don't use any liner whatsoever. But y'all, oh my God. This is the first time that we got all makeup. We got all makeup. This is insane. Oh my God. Okay, so we got the Ciate London setting powder. We got a Huda Beauty Demi Matte liquid lipstick. We got eyelash. We got a mascara. We got an eyeliner, and we got an eyeshadow palette. What the fuck? I'm sorry. That is so freaking cool. Yo, this bag kicks ass. Dude, if I were to battle this against my BoxyCharm PR box, this would have kicked. I mean, kicked. My BoxyCharm PR box is ass. Damn, that would not have been a fair battle whatsoever. Oh, what I gotta say, Ipsy really did a good job this month. See, this is why I'm so torn when it comes to Ipsy. I don't understand why their $25 box is always such a better value, a better box, or a better bag now than the ultimate. I don't understand. You spend $50, you should get all this in the $50 bag, box, whatever. You should get all this in there. Then you're getting all skincare. It just doesn't make sense to me. I'm never going back. I'm just going to stick to this because this is freaking amazing. This has probably been one of the best Ipsy's unboxings that I have experienced in such a long time. I'm so freaking happy. It's all freaking makeup. That just makes my day. Okay, all right. All right, so like I said, if you guys have not seen my BoxyCharm PR box, I will link that down below. But if I would have battled this against it, hands down, would have kicked its ass. But I am very, very happy that I got this. I really like the fact that how eco-friendly it is. I know they're saying that there's going to be new stuff to the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus picks. You're going to get 2 personalized items. You get to choose 3 out of the 5 full-size faves, and you get to add on up to 8 products, which I think is really, really cool. And I like the fact that it actually just comes in a bag, because typically Ipsy creates really, really ugly makeup bags. Sorry, but they do. So I like the fact that they're doing this. I think this is actually really cool. And this is going to start on September 1st, all these little cool little benefits. So that is something to note for you guys. If you guys want to sign up for Ipsy, I will put my link down below. It's not an affiliate link. It's not a discount code link. It's nothing. It's just a link for me, and it just gives me charms, but I've never used those charms. And if I do, it's just to buy stuff for you guys to put into my No Waste Wednesday. So I don't even know how many I have at this point, because I've never touched it. I've had this for years. So there is that. I'm really happy with this box, and I'm sorry if you guys got offended from what I talked about earlier, but just my experience with Ipsy was so different compared to how it used to be. And I really, really hope that they, improve their customer service. And I really hope they improve their ultimate, because you spend $50, you should be getting like top dollar products in there, especially for like BoxyCharm, Boxy Premium. You spend $35 and you get like some high-end brands in there. You should get the same thing for Ipsy Ultimate. Hopefully they improve, and hopefully you guys are kind in the comments, because some people can be really vicious when I talk about serious matters. So hopefully you guys are kind, and if not, please keep the negativity elsewhere, because it'll just get deleted and blocked. So yeah, that was it for my Ipsy unboxing. This is actually a really cool bag. I'm really excited about it. So that is it for today's video, guys. If you guys like this video, please make sure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already, because I do post every day, every other day, just depending. Also, make sure you guys head on over to my other channels, R for Life. You guys can see my cool, wonderful adventures, amazing fiance Corey. And as always, guys, I want to thank you guys for all your love support. I'll see you guys in the very next video. Bye.